Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will solve this problem, separate black and white balls from the weekly contest 372. So if you go into the solutions tab, you can find lot of solutions where they are using counting sum where everywhere we are counting it, and you can solve this. Like if you are good at mathematics, you can solve this. But today we will solve programmatically, like using two pointers, using indexes, we will solve this problem. So let's understand the problem statement first. So there are n balls on a table. Each ball has a color, black or white. And you are given 0 indexed binary string S of length n, where 1 and 0 represents black and white balls. 1 represents black and 0 represents white. In each step, you can choose two adjacent balls and swap them. Only the adjacent. So I will tell you the extension. If they are not adjacent balls, how you will solve this problem? If you try to think about the solution and comment it down in the video, we can discuss the approaches over there. We need to return the minimum number of steps to go to group all the black balls to the right and all the white balls to the left. So it's saying that all the black balls to the right, all the ones should be at the right side, and all the white balls which are zeros to the left side. And you can choose two adjacent balls only. 0 0 you can choose, 0 1 you can choose. You can't choose this 0 and 0 1 and you can swap. So this is the extension you can think, and you can think about the approach and you can comment it down. So how you solve that problem. So first we will see the input 101. So we can group all the to the following way. We are swapping s of 0 and s of 1. In one operations it is done. So if you see here, this 10 is swapped after it reached here, and then we have swapped it 001. In two operations it got completed. So here you can see my length is 10 power 5. So you can solve this problem in order of n. Order of n we have to solve. Order of n square is not valid. So let's take this example. Now in the left array, let's not think about white balls and black balls. Let's think about the elements, zeros and ones, because that will make you easy to think, like instead of thinking about balls, because this is a bit complex terms. So zeros and ones. In zeros index we are storing in the left array. Ones index we are storing in the L. This is a left, and in the right we are storing the zeros. And I will use two pointers. I will start from the left. I will start from the 0. J will start from the end. So we have this array. Starting my I is at this position and my J is at this position. In my left array we have ones. In my right array we have zeros. Now if you observe carefully, like if you see 10 and 3, we can swap this. Yes, definitely. Now we have 1 here and we have 0 here. We will swap these two. So my answer will be 10 minus 3, because 1 0 you can swap, and 1 will reach here. Then 1 will reach here. Then we will swap this, 1 will reach here. In this way we will swap. Then after swapping it, I will increment my I. I will reach 6 and I will decrement J, because these two are adjusted. These two has satisfied my equations. These two are swapped and it satisfied my condition. Now my I is at 6. Now we are at 6 and my J is at 8. And still we will swap it, right? Like this has reached. So 8 minus 6, which is 2. 8 minus 6. This is 7 and this is 2. My answer will be 9. So why it is worked? Now? If you want to swap, you should make any element. Now let's see. It's become more 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1. Now we are swapping these two, and we are swapping these two. Sorry, we are swapping these two. So my condition has got satisfied. So here we are taking this indexes and we are subtracting, and we are taking this indexes and we are subtracting. When my I has crossed the j, I is greater than j, I will break, because all elements are adjusted, because I is going towards the right side, I is going toward the right side and j is going to the left side, and here all we can have zeros, here all we can have ones, here all we can have ones. So I think you understood this. We have used indexes left and right, and we will iterate till I less than j. When I is greater than j, we will break it out, because all elements got adjusted, and we are subtracting the indexes. We are subtracting this and we are subtracting these two indexes, and it is the same, like if you can subtract this two, which is equal, right? Because if you see here, we have 3, 6, 8 and 10. We are subtracting 10 minus 3 and we are subtracting 8 minus 6, which is equivalent to 10 minus 6 and 8 minus 1, right? Which is equivalent to yes, 10 minus 6 and 8 minus 3, right, which is 4, and here it is 4, which is 8, here 7, which is 5, which is 9, and here we have 7 and we have 2, here we have 9. So anywhere you can subtract, like this you can subtract in this. So in this way we are using 2 pointers and we are subtracting it. So we'll see the code. So size, and in the s of I is equals to 0, we are keeping, when it is 0 we are keeping in the right, when it is 1 we are keeping in the left, and we are calculating the sizes, and I is equals to 0 it will start, and j equals to a minus 1. We thought, right, I will start from here, if it is left it is right, it will start from here, it will continue unless I is less than b and j should be greater than 0. L of I is greater than r of I. My L of I has crossed r of j, then it means that here we have all ones, here we have all zeros which have crossed, and we are calculating L of I minus r of j, as we did here. We are calculating the difference and we are adding it to the answer and we are incrementing it. I think though, so if you see this, if the time complexity will be order of n, and my space will be same order of n, because we are using extra space. You can solve this using the counting sums as well. If you solve this using counting sums, it will be order of one space. You can do this, and and you can see the other solutions where they have used the counting sum, which is like visualization is a bit difficult. So if you understood this solution, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And one request guys, if you really like the solution, you can go and in the solution we will have the solution description, you can click there and you can upvote. So you can upvote like this, you can go to the solution part and you can click here and you can just click on this up icon, so it will get upvoted. So, and thank you for watching guys.